Today we will learn how to write a narrative essay. 1. Choose a topic. Select a topic that you are passionate about or one that has a strong emotional connection to you. The topic could be a personal experience, a fictional story, or a significant event that happened to someone you know. 2. Create an outline. A narrative essay should have a clear structure with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Write down the main points you want to cover in each section of the essay. 3. Develop characters. If you are writing a narrative essay that involves characters, give them depth and personality traits that will make them relatable and interesting to the reader. 4. Use vivid descriptions. Use descriptive language to paint a picture of the setting, characters, and events in your essay. This will help the reader visualize the story and create a more engaging experience. 5. Use sensory details. Incorporate sensory details such as sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell to create a more immersive experience for the reader. 6. Use dialogue. If appropriate for your story, use dialogue to add authenticity and depth to your characters. 7. Show, don't tell. Instead of telling the reader what happened, show them through actions, descriptions, and dialogue. 8. Use transitions. Use transitional phrases to smoothly move between scenes or events in your essay. 9. Edit and revise. After completing your essay, take the time to edit and revise it. Check for grammatical errors, sentence structure, and flow. 10. Seek feedback. Have someone else read your essay and give you feedback. This will help you identify areas that need improvement and make your essay stronger. The prior mentioned steps can be utilized to generate a high-quality narrative essay. Stay tuned for further creative videos.